kitty.
And though my eyes have never seen you,
Oh, dog.
I've seen enough to say
God spelled backwards. Oh, good. Listen to this. This song will get stuck in my head. It's like 2 o'clock now, guys, and we just had a horrible thunderstorm. After this last video I made, I wasn't going to make another one. But look at this. Yeah. Quickly. And it's getting cold here, guys. Again. It's dropped like 10 degrees since my last video. Y'all know me, I don't see weather like I used to, guys. Especially when the lightning is striking near me. Like right by me. It's my east sky. Southwest. Oh. Hey, angel birds. Ooh, I just got water all in my head. North. Straight up. Low, low, low. Low, low, low. Just wanted to show y'all. This is how fast this is changing. Watch after a while, I'll have some sun. Or fake sun up in the sky. Who knows? God bless y'all, guys. Praying for y'all. Thank y'all. Y'all stay safe.